Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today we're digging into something pretty interesting. The integration of SignMetrix audience measurement with the Videri digital canvas. And the big question we're tackling is this. How can businesses think retailers, hotels, restaurants, take these really stunning Videri displays and actually turn them into tools that measure audience engagement in real time? Get some real ROI data.
Yeah, that's been a massive challenge. For ages, digital signage has often felt a bit like, well, expensive art. It looks fantastic, jaw-dropping content sometimes, but it's been a black box. There's usually no solid proof of who's actually looking or if the content spend, the ROAS, is actually paying off. It's just there.
Right. And trying to get that data the old way, it's often a real headache. You want foot traffic, dwell time. Well, the legacy approach usually involves installing extra cameras, sensors. It gets costly, it's invasive, requires drilling, wiring. And let's be honest, it can raise privacy flags for customers too.
Exactly. And that's what's so neat here. Videri and SignMetrix basically flip that. They use the display itself, the thing already designed to grab attention, to get the data. It completely changes the cost structure compared to needing, say, heavy security sensors just for measurement. And the SignMetrix part is, it's seamless. It's just software. No cameras needed, no extra sensors, no new wiring. It runs quietly in the background.
So wait, Videri displays already have the media player built in, right?
Yeah.
They just need that one slim power cable.
That's right.
So the measurement piece is literally just installing an app.
Pretty much, yeah. The SignMetrix app gets enabled in minutes. It uses something called Smart Circle technology. It essentially turns those Bluetooth-enabled Videri screens into measurement points. It sets up like 3 detection zones covering up to, I think, 20,000 square feet. And it measures impressions, opportunity to see OTS walk-by traffic, and dwell time. It does this by picking up nearby smartphones via their Bluetooth signals. But, and this is critical, it's all aggregated and anonymized. We're tracking crowd movement, not individuals.
Okay, that privacy piece is definitely key. So, using that anonymized data, what specific things are being measured? You mentioned impressions.
Right. Impressions, walk-by traffic, opportunity to see, which is basically, how many people realistically had a chance to see the screen. And also dwell time. Super important for understanding how long people are actually engaging with the content or the area near the display.
And that just plugs right into the Videri system, which already handles pushing content out to potentially thousands of screens from one central spot.
Exactly. Videri provides that immersive visual canvas. SignMetrix provides the measurement. It's a perfect pairing, really.
Makes sense.
And that combination leads to much smarter decisions for the business. Teams aren't just guessing anymore. They can optimize store layouts based on real data, track how customers actually move through the space, pinpoint those high engagement zones, and even compare how different displays or store sections are performing against each other. Plus, it scales. One display or, thousands. Retail, restaurants, hotels, airports.
Yeah, I can see the value for operations. But what about marketing? The monetization side?
Oh, absolutely. You can measure ad reach directly on the screens, track the impact of promotions, calculate actual ROAS for specific campaigns running on those displays. Think about dwell time. Maybe you see it's low near a certain product, so you tweak the presentation. Or you see high dwell time but low conversion. Maybe the interaction needs work.
So the relative data is the key. And all this information shows up where?
It all feeds into the SignMetrix analytics dashboard in real time.
What's that like? Easy to use.
Yeah, it's designed to be intuitive. It shows traffic analysis, customer journey maps, ad reach, conversion metrics, dwell time comparisons, all that good stuff. Plus, it supports API integration if you want to pull the data into other systems.
So you end up with Videri's cloud CMS for managing the content, and SignMetrix for the audience measurement, all kind of working together, a full picture.
Exactly. Content plus measurable insights, that's the core benefit.
So Videri plus SignMetrix gets you the immersive visuals and the proof they're working. And the big differentiators are no cameras, no extra hardware installation, and it scales massively. So here's the real question for you listening. If you could get undeniable proof about how long people actually look at your supposedly jaw-dropping content, maybe it's only 1.2 seconds.
Yeah.
How would your creative team use that data? That transparency is powerful.
Absolutely. So if you're looking to turn those physical experiences in retail, hospitality, restaurants into truly measurable results,
then you should probably check this out. You can find out more and request a demo at signmetrix.com or videri.com.